Hey campers, today I'm excited to show you the brand new ROK 13,000 by Coachman Clipper. Stick around and let's check out the brand new 2025 floor plan. Here is a quick glimpse of the ROK 13,000, an all-new floor plan for 2025 by Coachman Clipper in Viking. This awesome floor plan comes with this queen-size bed that flips up into a perfect dinette for 2 people. We have our air conditioning, front storage, 5-gallon cassette toilet with a shower option. We have heat. We have that 9-foot electric awning, 20-pound propane tank, walkable fenders, Thule roof rack, 200 watts of solar, and that full outside kitchen in the back. The kitchen comes with a microwave, sink, stove, and this nice 12-volt fridge. So, what'd you think of the ROK 13,000? This is an awesome new 2025 floor plan. We can't wait to see what the response is and the feedback is from it all. If you like these kind of videos, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button and keep on coming back for my weekly uploads. I have cool camper comparisons, weekly camper tours, and I live in a converted van. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next week.